How to fix Discord mic not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix Discord mic not working. So to fix your Discord mic, it's not working, then you have to check Discord voice and video settings to ensure the correct microphone is selected. Open your Discord application onto your device and then click on the user settings at the bottom, or just the profile initials at the bottom right corner, and click on the gear icon at the top right hand side corner of your screen. And next, what you want to do is, here after you've done this, you simply want to go to user settings, and here you want to go and locate a voice and video. So here it is, voice. You can enable a voice and video. Now if this is also not working out, and you have to open the specific server that you own, and then click on the gear icon or the username of the server at the top right. Here as well, you want to go in and look for voice and video if you could find, and toggle a button for it. If nothing works out, then what you want to do is exit out of this particular page, open up settings, locate apps from the list, locate Discord, go to permissions, and make sure that you've enabled camera and microphone, and this is gonna help you out to fix your Discord mic not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.